Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, a reduced price, and loaded with features. Features also include premium sound system, towing package, adaptive cruise control, panorama sunroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2017 Outlander. A versatile crossover with power to spare, Outlander boasts an upgraded level of interior comfort and advanced technological features to give you control over every element of your drive. With super all-wheel control and a 5-star frontal and side impact crash test rating, peace of mind comes standard and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.